Okay, it's Monday morning, and it is not quite 10 o'clock. Yellow bike still on the lift. I did a overnight leak test last night because I had corrected three leaking oil leaks, and this is the result. I mean, whoa, that's pretty nice. Got a little spot way over there. I'll see if I can see it, but I'm not worried about it too much. We'll do another test overnight leak test after we test ride the bike. Ignition is set up for the first start, and when Kevin gets here, we'll do that. So this bike's, in the meantime, I'm going to start installing the wires for these instruments. I'm going to run them into the headlight and make all the connections inside the headlight. The clutch action is smooth now. Let me see if I can do this while holding the camera. Smooth all the way. Still touches the mirror just a little bit, but I move this up, move this down, so that's not a real problem. I might move this down just a tad more. But anyway, it's smooth all the way and feels good. There's no longer a click over in the action. Well, once again, we will check that when we ride the bike. Golly gee. I had a question about the impact tool we use. It's a Craftsman, and it's not powerful in its battery. And this one is, I've had this for close to 20 years. I've had this so long that the ball lock on the shaft stopped working, so I drilled it out, and I don't know if you can see this. Let's see if I can get it stopped. Drilled into the side and pinned it, and had my buddy weld it. So I put an extension on it because I actually wore out the tip of this thing. It works so well that Kevin has one, and you can go very, very slowly. And it's a nice unit. We use it a lot. You know, working all day long, it's just convenient. What else? That's about it. I'm going to start on the wire. Everything for this bike came in except the gas cap. Still waiting on the gas cap, and I may rattle my supplier's cage and ask, "Hey, where's the gas cap?" So that's what we're waiting on this bike. The rim on this bike is still in California. This bike can go back up on the lift, but this bike, the battery came in, and I'm going to try to get that battery installed. Let me see it down there. I'm going to try to get that battery installed. I'll show you what it is. It's smaller than the, what is it? 12N7, you know, 12N7 that these bikes are supposed to take. But I defaulted to what I could get quickly versus a long lead time on the 12N7s. So this bike is ready. That battery is much larger than the battery I took out of it. So that's where we are this morning. And I'm going to start on this bike's wiring for the instruments. And that's where we are.